guys, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. As a part of these collections interview questions, the second question is what is the difference between collection, collection and collections? Similarity between the words. Similarity between the words. There are two words are there. One is a collection, another one is a collections. What is the difference between these? Very simple. First of all, collection is an interface. It is an interface. It is an interface. Whereas coming to collections, collections is nothing but a class. Technical definition I'm giving. So collection means what? It is an interface. In the collection, there are so many implemented and again sub interfaces are there. Whereas coming to collections, it is a predefined class which is available in util package. What are the common methods are there which are applicable on every collection object are implemented here? It is a utility. So I can define collection is an interface. Collection is an interface. If we want to represent, a group of objects, as a single entity, so then we should go for, okay, a group of individual objects entity. So then we should go for collection. Remember this word. It is nothing but an interface which represents a group of objects. What about the collections? Collections is an utility. Utility class present in java.util package. In this package, this collections class is there. Okay. What is the purpose of this? It is present in util package to define several utility methods for collection objects. Sir, I created one collection object. For that, some utility methods are required, like maybe sorting, okay, maybe for searching, so maybe for conversions from array. So like that, we have various methods are implemented here. This is the main difference between collection and collections. Remember, collection is an interface, collections is a class. So collection is a group of objects. Collections is nothing but utility class which is defined with so many methods which are applicable on collection object. This is nothing but the small difference, but huge impact is there on the interviews. Please remember these two things are very, very important. Okay. Thank you.